So I'm back. Been a while. Last time I was on here I was talking about the VL, which I have done some stuff to that, but currently it's been pushed to the side and been put on hold. This time around, I'm talking about my OG project, the Cefiro, which has changed a lot in the last year, where I basically restarted the whole project and has gone in a completely different way. Originally, I was aiming about 400 horsepower because I've gone plus 2 with it now, and basically that's been thrown out the window even more. And there's a lot of problems that I didn't see coming up with the engine, and now I've got to do a full rebuild. So I'll explain more about this after you watch the time lapse, and I explain some things in the time lapse. I didn't get any footage of stripping the engine with proper video, but I did do a time lapse. Next time around I'll use GoPro to do the time lapse instead of my phone, so I can show you more into the engine and get a bit more footage. So yeah, see you after the time lapse. Okay, time to start stripping the Cefiro engine down. Me fiddling with random shit. My mate now basically in the process of removing the valve cover. Me pointing at the heater hosing pipes saying these need to be replaced because they look ugly and their place in Australia sells new ones. Me pointing at some other shit. Me attempting to remove the valve cover but gave up on that idea. My mate gave it a good old slap and it comes off. Oh look, this RB has been maintained. Who the bloody hell maintains this engine? RBs don't get maintenance. Me pointing out that the cam belt and water pump have been replaced by the previous owner 6 years ago. Making a plan on how these come out. First set of rockers and lifters coming out. Me making some random hand gestures. Okay, first set out. Looking for some tools. Marking out what way they go for the machine shop. Me just walking around awkwardly, not knowing what I'm meant to be doing. Touch some stuff. Okay, next set coming off. Machine shop loves this person. He's marking everything in the orientation of it. Okay, out we go. Hello, doggo. Okay. Me just standing there awkwardly watching, not knowing what to do. What organised that person is over there, my mate is. Putting everything in bags and marking it. Better than what I did with this Cefiro. I don't know where half my bolts are currently for it. Okay, in the bag they go. You just have a drink over there, Josh. You're pretty useless at what you're doing. Looking at the lifter set. Okay, just a bit more drinking over there. Standing around. Oh, back with the right tool to remove the head studs. Yeah, break them loose. Talking about head studs here most likely. Yeah, I got some ARP ones. We're going a whole lot more boost. Okay, here we go. And you got them all broken loose. And out they come with the impact. Here we go, here we go. Zap, zap, zap. Boom, done. More awkwardly standing over there by me. What are you doing, Josh? You're pretty useless over there. Stop standing around and do something. Oh, the head studs seem to be replaced at some point. Yeah, someone definitely maintained this RB and liked it. I don't know why. RBs are not meant to be maintained. They're meant to be fresh to death and die and blow up. Okay. Undoing the bolts to hold the head on, because you can't get an impact in there, so you gotta do them by hand. This part is pretty boring, as always. Don't know what I'm doing there, rocking back and forth. Okay, more standing around. Undoing the front cover. Oh yeah, go find the bolt to fit in there. A few tries. Oh, boom, done. Okay, time to mark some more stuff off. Oh, it's a bit tight. Give it a few love taps. Oh, no, it doesn't want to come. Spray some lube in there. Yeah, that's right. Boom. Now it just comes. If in doubt, always lube it up. Find some more tools. Oh yeah, zip that off. Undo the idler. And now the cam bout is free. Don't get this head off. Oh, not just yet. Apparently we had some other stuff too. We gotta pull those off first. I forgot. Okay. Went to pry it off. Oh, this head is loose. That's weird. Usually they get a bit stuck after a while. Doing some more talking about why is this head loose? Who's done this? This is not maybe this easy. RBs are meant to be difficult bitches and not like coming apart. Okay, off the head comes. Oh, looking at the head. Oh, 5 of my cylinders are running rich. 1 is not. 1 is running lean. Number 4 is running lean. Pointing at the pistons are being maintained in some home marts. Oh, somebody's done some maintenance in here as well. This is the engine has been blown up once before or been maintained. Okay, doing some more inspection. Tried to turn the engine over, but didn't want to come over. Spray some lube in there. This engine was turned over by hand. Oh, still been difficult. Okay, grab the bolt. I'm on a bolt. Put it back in. Okay, wrong size. Oh, there we go. 3. Oh, yeah, doing some more inspecting. Oh, yeah, definitely maintain new rings. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, that's definitely not good. That's a lot of play in there, Josh. It looks like a big spending spree here. I'm guessing that piston ring and bearing job has just gone up in price. I happy measure the cylinders. Me thinking it was 88 mil, turns out it was 86. I was 2 mils out. But here we go, doing some checking. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a lot of play. Oh no. Oh, there's a lot of play. I should be recording a video to show this, but I was too useless to record a video. Okay. Oh, those are mint. Those are all good. Yeah, that's alright. Oh no, that's a lot of play there. You could probably see that in the time lapse. Okay. Yeah, so that time lapse was meant to be a bit longer, but I didn't realise my phone turned it off. So in that video, it missed out the part where we turned the engine over, pulled the oil pan, and removed one of the pistons that was showing a lot of play. And basically, the engine was toast. So the bore for an RB30 is 86 mil. And one of those pistons was shown to be 85, the one we pulled. And we don't know if that was from being cold, because alloy shrinks when it's cold, but either which way, we classed that as toast. So me and my mate who's rebuilding my engine went back and forth because of cost and stuff. We weren't too sure if it was durable to do a full forged one in, but I've made the call and said that we should just do the forged one in, and he's backed me up on it and said yes, that's probably logical, because sending 600 horsepower plus into the ground on a stock one in is not the best idea, especially with how expensive blocks are nowadays for an RB30. So now I'm going to go 5 hours over with the pistons to make sure it's tight, and the engine is going to be easy capable of 1,000 horsepower, but I was only aiming for 600. Originally I was going to go 440, but yeah, that plan went out the window. So on top of the engine being toast, we also noted on the cylinder head that number 4 was running lean, and the rest of the 5 we were running rich. So there was most likely an injector fault on that one, and that could also be a contributing factor on why the bottom end was out of spec. On top of it, the Cefiro's had a bit of a makeover. I've done a full custom front bumper out of the original one. It's got to be sent out and have a mold taken to be done in fiberglass. Car is also on full BC coilovers now, the E series. WSX side skirt. Guards are currently away, getting welded up and finished. Full ulterior motive flares all the way around. Car is approximately 65 mils wider all the way around. So a lot of work has been done in the last year to get to this point. Also, the car is fully stripped now. Still got a lot of work to do in the engine bay and other parts of the car. Full thing in its intercooler kit that has been chopped up and made to suit a 30 ET. So yeah, hopefully the next video won't be too far away, and it'll be more of the engine getting stripped down and possibly the rebuild. So yeah, see you in the next video.